Hey guys, it's Andrew at ThirdCoastRC again, and we're here at the park this afternoon. We brought the R5, the Rampage R5 out again, the big scale electric truck, and we're going to jump it over our ramps here. We did an introduction video on this truck a few weeks ago, and right now we're here at the park again. So we've got our higher powered batteries in it this time, so let's run it around and then we'll take it over the jumps a few times. So this truck really tears up the grass. I mean, it gets up to the speed he's cut there. Its brakes are fantastic. I mean, it really goes across this field. I mean, this is in heavy grass. Look at that. That was a wheelie, a front wheelie, because I put too much brake on, and the truck actually brakes itself over. It's pretty cool. Be a bit more progressive with the braking here. Hit the ramps. Oh, kind of rough on it there. No, we're not going to cut it. This is what you see is what you get on our videos. Bad driving and everything. Turn it back over again. I'll hit the ramp a few more times. Ready? That's more like it. Right, try to pop a wheelie there in the field. This truck's almost too wide to hit these double ramps. Well, I'm driving like a newbie, but at least we're giving the truck a workout. A bit better that time. I mean, this truck is not going to like do a backflip or anything. Man, it gets and moves across this grass. I must be doing well over 40 miles an hour there when it gets going. Just corrected it there in the air. Likes to come off the ramp kind of neutral. I'm having a bit of trouble doing that right now. There we go, that's the way to do it. Almost wants to get up and skate. So it's a big heavy truck for jumping off these ramps, but man, it's like a bullet across that field. It is fast. See if we keep going, see if anything comes loose. This truck is prone to stuff not being thread locked from the factory. Things come loose. We had an incident earlier today where the drive shaft, the drive cup on the back of the front differential going out the center came loose. A big 6mm set screw had come out last time we ran it, and I didn't have one, so I managed to fashion one from some other stuff I had lying around, some M6 screws I had lying around. Just cut one off and slotted it so I could do it with a flat head. So we're jumping probably like 15 feet there. See if we can get this truck to do a wheelie. Too much power, just spun the wheels. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. He's just spinning the wheels when I hit full power. Oh man, it's fast. This has got a pair of 4S 7600 75C batteries in it right now. So these are top shelf batteries that are in it. Man, it just goes crazy when you put the power on. brakes there. I'm just freewheeling by the time I get over there. I just have to let off and it just keeps on rolling. Trying to get lined up with them ramps to hit them a bit faster, but the hook is so wide, if I misjudge it, I'll roll it, probably break something. That was better. The body slamming there, body slam, like WWE. Slight correction in the air there, just applied a tiny little bit of brake to bring the nose down. It's getting away from me, came off the top of the ramp with a little bit too much power. There's some kind of trash in the there. Some kind of trash in there. I don't know what that is. At least you get the towel. That doesn't sound good. That's a slipper clutch. It has a slipper clutch, this truck. So it's just slipping a bit there. It's supposed to protect the transmission. You can really get on it on high traction surfaces. Let's go say hi to this little guy here.
Don't run over him. Stop it.
I will not run over somebody else's vehicle. I don't think I'm insured for that. Get the slipper clutch again. When I punch it too much. Got quite a bit further that time on that thing. And we have some kind of stall there. Don't know what's going on. What he sees, what you get with us. Don't know. Maybe it hit the ground so hard it turned itself off. Seen that before? Here, I do not hear the fans going. So maybe something like that happened. Oh, look at that. That's what happened. Look, we dropped a battery lead on the jump. See if it, there you go, powered straight back on. 8S, 8 beeps there as it comes back on. So what I might have to do is tape those connectors next time, so that doesn't happen again. Come back at the ramp here, go straight at ourselves. That's gonna hurt. So I don't know, we give it quite a beating there. Don't hear anything broken. I don't want to stand there. Sometimes I hear the body rubbing the wheels a bit as well. Sounds like a grinding sound. Or maybe it's the gears going out, but who knows. How long is the video going now, Mr. Tom?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? We've got 10 minutes out of these batteries? I guess they're 7600s. Man, it's still getting up and flying across that field. I'm surprised we've got 10 minutes, but I guess I'm used to flying planes where you don't get quite as long. I don't know, I'm going to give one more jump. Full speed. And we blew the battery lead again. So, I think that's a good place to end it. It's about 11 minutes on this truck. And pretty sure that's what just happened. We popped that battery lead off again. Same thing, same one. I am going to have to do something to repair that. Yep, power's back on again straight away. Let's just take a quick look. I mean, I don't see... I mean, the diffs still feel good. The rear diff's still good. Oh, everything feels good on here. I mean, we've got a little bit of slop in this front axles, and I think it's because they use these big wide extenders. You see them in here? These big extensions to widen the stance of the truck. There's a little bit of work you can do to tighten that up a bit, but you know, I don't know. Apart from the weird stuff that happens with the thread locking, I've never really had a problem with this truck every time I've run it, you know. And slowly you get everything thread locked up, and you know, if you've got one of these, buy yourself some 6x6mm set screws, because you lose them off the drive cups here. So tune in next time, subscribe to our videos, and thank you very much. Bye.